How are you all, children? Welcome back to our online class. Hope you are understanding everything, writing notes, classworks, homeworks. Okay, all of you are submitting my homeworks every day on time. Start the unit. We have finished 2 units. We have finished unit 3A part. Swami is expelled from school. He is given punishment. He runs away. Isn't it? Teacher beats him with scale, cane and all. He doesn't give proper reason. No doubt he also has stomach pain, genuine stomach pain or headache something, but the other children also tell the same reason, so he doesn't get an excuse. Poor fellow, he gets beating, and lastly he is not able to tolerate, he runs away from the class. After that, third unit B part we are reading today. Not just a teacher but a friend. How you should be with your teacher. Reading part. I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. But then you really brought out my true soul. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. The teacher and student relationship is described over here. Day by day, you get used to your teachers, isn't it? When you come to school also, maybe online also, you know the mood of the teacher, what she wants to convey as a message. Not that always she's angry, strict, isn't it? As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Each day I wanted to cry. You stayed there right by my side. Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade. But I was wrong. We are still strong. He thought, when you pass on, you pass away, isn't it? From 8th, you came to 9th now. You were friendly with your 8th teacher, right? You get used to them. Used to the teacher of her punishment or the way she cares for you, teaches you, isn't it? It becomes a strong bond. You cannot tell a friend also. More a parent, less a friend, something like that it becomes. But when you pass away, what happens? You go in a new class, you meet again a new teacher. It's not necessary that you have same bond with her, but slowly a little bonding will develop. Exactly the same it cannot be, but circumstances are like that, you all become known to each other, close to each other, every word, every that you'll understand of your teachers. Okay, sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me I am fine, if I am fine. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say yes, I am alright. Then I walk away and you are out of sight. I'll just have to wait. I still have my fate. Teacher will understand which child is suffering and what's the problem and why is happy or angry, whatever is the problem. He or she, sir or teacher will find out. Because they acquaint with the children 8 hours every day. From 9 o'clock to 4 you'll be with us in the schools, isn't it? Got it? So in these 8 hours we become angry on you, friendly on you, we give you notes, we teach you, we isn't it love you, preach you, everything, because we want best out of you. We are not your enemies, we are your friends. I am so glad that you were there when I was sad, and this is what makes you not just my 9th grade teacher but my friend. Understood the poem? Now see the glossary meanings. First one, trust, believe, hide, put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen. Next reading part of this C reading of unit 3, homework. These are very interesting lessons. You all can understand easily, isn't it? You can, everyday teachers give homework, you also will tell, isn't it? These lessons are, that's why for you all only to understand. Homework was historically being given to students to reinforce what they learn at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counterproductive. Excessive amounts of time spent on completing homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and it limits their participation in sports or other activities. Hardly two or three questions, it's fine. More homework means what happened? It's right. Child will not be able to participate in sports, in family, in other activities, he'll not be able to go through it. The amount of homework a teacher has to give to students should be limited, restricted. Critically acclaimed author Tamim Ansari report that since 1981, the amount of homework given to an average 6th class child has increased more than 50%. By more than 50%. Many people claim that the increase in homework dates as far as 1957. The new competition that emerged served as an incentive for schools to try to increase the volume of the curriculum. So the amount of homework increases with the increase in the class. The subjects increase, the matter increase. Earlier sees for small children, see the primary books, 1 or 2 pages, lesson will finished. You all have in one unit English only you see. In one unit only you have A, B, C parts. Isn't it? Many teachers defend large amounts of homework, claiming that it helps to prepare the students for a world that is becoming increasingly competitive. However, Dr. Kralovic, author The End of Homework, argues that doing homework during high school has little or no effect on successful study skills of the student when they join college. The homework's history, is it successful or no? This is a long debate, isn't it? Even you all feel so, isn't it? Why so much homework? What we'll do? Nothing will go inside, just copy down. So children understood the homework history and the method of giving it. Excessive amount of homework can be harmful to kids both physically and mentally. A lot of homework usually means a lot of books to carry. 55% of Massachusetts, an institution in USA, children, as per the survey by researchers of Simmons College, carry loads heavier than 15% of their body weight. So big bags, heavy bags are there. This is the suggested limit. Carrying large amount of weight daily at a young age can do a lot of damage because the bones are still in development stage, isn't it? Few years back, 2 to 4 years, if you read the newspaper, you'll come to know that there was an article. There used to be articles in newspapers that bags are becoming so heavy. So slowly, school people, what they took out the policy, the homeworks they were keeping in the school only, in the cupboards for small children and elder children also. Your workbooks and all you all used to keep in the schools, isn't it? So that you should not carry so heavy load every day. So these bones are still developing, but the amount of books, bag, homework is lot for the children. The US Consumer Product Safety Commission has reported that in 1999, more than 800 kids were treated in emergency wards for back pain related injury due to these bags, heavy bags. Many of these injuries can lead to serious problems later in life, including chronic shoulder, neck, and back pain. The large amount of homework is causing the kids in both high school and junior high school to be up until midnight or later to complete their work. They have to be awake in the night also and finish it off. Okay, when extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, etc. are added to the picture, kids may even have to wake up early next morning to finish their work. Kids may have to wake up early next morning to finish their homework, leaving them with an insufficient amount of sleep. Some parents and teachers argue that it would be beneficial for children's academics to limit their after school activities. However, cutting the time out of school few hours a week teenagers use for exercise could be a factor in growing obesity cases. Just sitting and completing their homeworks. they are becoming fat, obese. The disease is called obesity. The number of children who are overweight are doubled in the last 2 or 3 decades. Currently, one child out of 5 is overweight. The children are faced with more problems in schools. Instead of learning and concentrating on their work, many children are developing low self esteem and even depression because of teasing. The cases of obesity are growing more certainly. Why? Due to lack of physical exercise. With more and more homework being assigned, kids simply do not have enough time for proper amount of exercise. They are not able to get up. They are going to no physical work, just completing their notes and books and all. Homework also takes away the kids the time a kid could be spending with his or her family. Rather than spending time bonding and building strong family relationships, parents and children argue over homework. Time is taken away from important aspects of daily life. This time is particularly precious in families with both the parents working. That time it's very precious. Time is very important, isn't it? They don't have time to spend with the children with each other. The time spent by such parents with their children is very limited. This time could be better spent going out for dinners as a family or doing other activities that most families are not able to do because the kids don't have time to take a break from their. So see your homework for today. Why do students consider the teacher as a friend? That poem. How does the teacher take the student out of his gloom? Why does a student fail to estimate the teacher correctly? Last one, how does a poet glorify the relationship between the teacher and the student? Read the lessons properly, send the homework by evening between 5 to 8. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. See you in next class.